SurTel was founded in 1994. Our electronics manufacturing company is located in the heart of the province of Jaén. The strategic location of La Carolina, halfway between the centre of the peninsula and the rest of Andalusia, provides the company with advanced logistical resources and excellent highway connections that allow us to distribute rapidly and efficiently. Also, in little more than 3 hours, we can get to any of the most important airports in the country, such as Madrid, Seville or Malaga, and to the Granada-Jaén airport in an hour and a half. Our company, which started to operate in the mid-90s and which collaborated closely for several years with the multinational Siemens, has spent nearly 20 years doing what it knows best: manufacturing electronic boards for all types of devices and machinery. SurTel's compliance with the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 regulations are audited regularly and under our voluntary participation by INOR, the Spanish Association for Standardization and Certification. This supports our commitment to quality and protection of the environment. Over 6,000 meters of installations make us one of the most important providers of electronic production services in Spain, with commercial representation throughout the Iberian Peninsula and abroad. In our commitment to reinvesting and keeping the machinery up to date, one of our latest acquisitions has been the Philips Assembleon AX501 to increase the production capacity of our installations. This automatic insertion machine has enabled us to double our capacity, permitting us to be able to insert up to 110,000 components per hour when set at its optimum configuration. Additionally, its versatility allows us to undertake the production of large production runs, up to 1,000 electronic boards daily, each comprised of 1,800 components, from the most simple to the most complex circuit boards without any decrease in output. SurTel is involved in various industries within the electronics sector: renewable energy, telecommunications, and domestic, industrial and military electronics. Our production process starts here, thanks to our purchasing capacity and the optimization of component storage, which allows us to start manufacturing at any time, making the production process more time efficient. In our high control production area, we have 4 SMT assembly lines with the latest technology that enable us to adapt to the assembly processes of SMT components from 0.3 pitch through to BGAs. In line with our commitment to the environment, since 2003 we have had the necessary infrastructure to manufacture lead-free products in accordance with the European RoHS regulation. Each one of these lines is comprised of a screen printer, 2 automatic insertion machines and a convection oven with an inert atmosphere suitable for working with nitrogen. But what sets us apart is our extensive monitoring and quality checks to verify that each process is efficient and sustainable. A meticulous task that meets the high standards we've set for our company. All this has led us to work with the most qualified and best prepared professionals from the electronics industry. Furthermore, we have the capacity for assembly of THT components of any size, thanks to our semi-automatic machines with axial and radial mounting, machines with optic support for insertion, multiple wave soldering systems in an inert atmosphere, individual soldering machines, or reparation systems for BGA components. But if there's one thing that makes SurTel stand out from the rest, it is not just having the latest technology, but something even more important: our employees. They allow us to deal with any projects in the electronic industry confidently. Their training in international regulations and practices allows us to work in the most technologically advanced way, both manually and with machinery. Our efficient and perfectionist production team makes sure we provide an optimum finish to our final products. We have the technology for the verification and functional testing of both hardware and software, which allows us to check that not only the composition of the boards is correct, but also that they can perform the task for which they were designed. A perfect finish, which offers us complete confidence in the components and boards we manufacture at SurTel. And true to our philosophy and continual improvement of our processes, we have developed strong working relationships with our clients to be able to offer them the option of assembling the finished boards that we manufacture into the final product, allowing us to send the final product already packaged and optimize the logistic process. a service which puts us at the forefront of all the electronics manufacturing companies in Europe. In total, more than 162 million components mounted, nearly 1 million boards manufactured, and an extensive product catalogue means SurTel is a company in the vanguard of technology. Thanks to our commitment to quality, some of the most important companies have placed their trust in us. Sony, Sharp, Bosch, Indra, Telvet, Siemens, Zenio, ThyssenKrupp, Interpacom and Continental have chosen the quality and effectiveness of our production system for their machinery and products. A process of professional excellence which has allowed us and continues to allow us to be one of the leading subcontracting electronic companies in our country. SurTel, leading technology with quality service.